start? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, so did you guys do your homework? Вы сделали домашнее задание?
Здрасте, да.
Отлично. А ты смотрел вот эти предыдущие видео? Пока нет?
Нет, пока нет.
Да, ну
Но
успеешь,
обязательно
успеешь.
смотрю.
Да, ничего страшного. Просто смотри, чтобы легче было все понять.
Ага, все.
Да, там, да. Ziadullah and Ali, did you do your homework?
Yes, I did.
Okay. So we're gonna start with checking the homework. First, I'm gonna share my screen. Perfect. If I remember correctly, I have it written down. Yeah, we'll start with this one. And then you also had these two parts, right? And then from the other document, which we'll go through these first, okay? So we're gonna start from this one. Did everyone get it filled out? At least something in it? We'll check if it's correct, but did you get something there? Получилось вот это здание? Хотя бы как-то. Если там не все правильно, то окей, конечно, но... Do you have this in front of you so we can start going through it? Okay, well, I assume that everyone has it. Silence means yes. It's a saying in Finnish. If no one says anything, then it's a yes. So we're gonna start with Ziadullah. So if you want to start by reading this out loud and then translating it for everyone, what it says over here, this sentence.
Okay, tänään on maanantai.
Yeah.
Today is Monday.
Yeah, perfect. And then what did you get in this, what did you fill out in this second one?
Huomenna on tiistai.
Perfect. And what does it mean?
Today is Tuesday.
Almost. It's tomorrow is.
Yeah, sorry.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Today is Monday, so tomorrow is Tuesday. Huomenna means tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Then Sangin, do you want to go next?
Лихомена, так, Лихомена on Kiviko.
Perfect. And what does it mean? How would you translate it? You can translate it to Russian as well. Можно перевести на русском или на английском, как удобнее, просто.
Послезавтра.
Да, правильно, послезавтра.
Послезавтра. Послезавтра.
Если сегодня понедельник, то послезавтра будет...
Среда.
Среда, отлично, да?
Да.
So Wednesday, да.
Wednesday.
The day after tomorrow is Wednesday, it would be in English. Okay, Ali, do you want to go next? Did you fill out this exercise?
Yeah, and it
So
will be
3.
Eilen oli lauantai. Oh, I'm sorry, sunnuntai.
Perfect,
sunnuntai.
yeah, perfect, yeah. Eilen oli sunnuntai. And what does it mean? How would you translate it to English?
The day before yesterday was Friday. Oh, I'm sorry. The day before yesterday was Sunday.
So eilen means yesterday. Eilen is just yesterday. Yeah, so yesterday was Sunday.
I see.
Yeah, because they all relate to Monday. So it says that it's Monday today, and then all of these. So tomorrow, if it's Monday today, then tomorrow would be Tuesday, and so on. So they all relate to this like original phrase here in the beginning, so to say.
I see.
Okay, yeah. Okay, and Ziadullah, do you want to take the last one?
Toisi päivänä oli lauantai.
Perfect. And how would you translate it?
Other day.
Yeah, the day before yesterday, it would be in English. Pozavčera, yeah. Was, and what's this day?
Saturday.
Yeah, perfect. Did everyone get all of them correctly?
Yes.
У всех получилось?
Да.
Правильно, все. Отлично. Okay, then we'll take the next one. You also had this one. So here, Sangin, you can go first. So what does it say over here? Ты можешь перевести первый фраз тут наверху?
Huomenna on sunnuntai.
А как это будет на либо английском, либо русском?
Завтра воскресенье?
Да. Huomenna, tomorrow, или завтра. Sunnuntai, воскресенье, or Sunday. So in English, if you think about it, it's quite, you can try to remember from that it begins with the same. So Sunday and sunnuntai have the same beginning in them. Okay? И прочитай, пожалуйста, еще первое.
Tanan on sunnuntai.
Танан. Если вчера, если завтра, воскресенье, то...
Да. Sunnuntai on manantai.
Lauantai.
Lauantai.
Вот это значит сегодня, если завтра воскресенье, то сегодня суббота. Понял?
Да.
So today is Saturday because in the beginning it says tomorrow is Sunday. So then today would be Saturday. Did everyone understand? Всем понятно?
Да.
Okay, perfect. And then is it Ali next or Ziadullah? I already forgot what order we were going in.
I can be next.
Okay.
Ili huomenna on if Manantai.
Perfect. So the day after tomorrow would be Monday because tomorrow it's Sunday. Oh, sorry, I translated it for you before you had to. Sorry.
Okay.
I was getting ahead of myself. Okay, Ziadullah, you can take the next one.
Eilen oli Thursday.
Wait. No, almost. Torstai would be the day before this day. But if tomorrow is Sunday and today is Saturday, then yesterday it was not Torstai, but it was Perjantai.
Yeah, okay.
Perjantai, so Friday. Yeah, so yesterday was Friday. Okay, and Sangin, do you want to take the last one?
Toissapäivänä oli torstai.
Torstai, perfect, yeah. И если хочешь еще перевести на английский или русский?
Как?
Toissapäivänä будет позавчера, the day before yesterday. Позавчера.
Позавчера была четверть.
Да, вот правильно. So the day before yesterday was Thursday. So here you can see that Thursday is also a bit similar Torstai and Thursday, they kind of look similar because it comes from the same. We're not going to get too deep into linguistics, but it comes from the same base. It's from Swedish origin that comes from Germanic. So it's the same root as Thursday. Okay, perfect. Then we had one more exercise. Is it visible? Yeah. So did you understand what you were supposed to do in this? Всем понятно было, что тут нужно было делать?
Yes.
Да.
Окей. Сангин, тебе понятно было?
Не очень.
Не очень? Окей, ну посмотрим. Okay, so the point was to look at the timetable and then look at which days you have the specific subject and then to write it here. So for example, musiikki is on Fridays. So then you would check that music is only on Fridays and that's why you write perjantaina. Значит, упражнение было посмотреть на расписание, и тут вопрос, на какой день музыка? И тебе надо было искать из этого расписания, что по пятницам музыка, и сюда написать перjantaina, значит, в пятницу. Ну, посмотрим, как будет, и да. Okay, so whose turn is it? We can take Ziadullah next. You have your microphone on. So the second question. So please start with reading the question and then the correct answer or the answer that you have written. It doesn't have to be correct necessarily. Yeah, go ahead.
Million on biologia.
Biologia.
Thursday.
Yeah. Torstaina.
Torstaina.
Yeah. So when the question is milloin, then you add the ending torstaina to denote that it's on Thursday. Okay, but it's also not if you miss it in speech, like if you're speaking with someone who is in Finnish and you accidentally forget to say torstaina, it's not the end of the world, but it's the correct way to say it. Okay, Ali, do you want to go next? So please read the question and then what you have answered.
Yeah, milloin on englantia. Maanantai and tiistai.
Yeah. So here again, because it's a question of milloin, it would be maanantaina ja tiistaina. So you add the ending na. Okay.
I see.
Yeah. Okay, but we're still learning. No worries. Sangin, тебе понятно?
Да, понятно.
Можешь ответить?
Да.
Окей. Пожалуйста, прочитай и...
Million on history. Так, history.
Historia.
Historia Kisikino. Keskiviko.
И по пятницам, видимо. Я тоже не заметил. Okay? So here again, я еще на русском тебе скажу, что если вопрос «когда?» milloin, то надо добавить окончание «на». И это означает, что типа в пятницу. А если скажешь только перjantai, то это просто пятница. Понятно?
Да.
Keskiviikkona ja perjantaina. Okay? And then the last one, Ziadullah.
Million on matematiikka. Maanantai, keskiviikkona ja torstaina.
Perfect. Maanantaina, keskiviikkona ja torstaina. So Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Okay. How did it feel? Did it feel very difficult? Is it difficult to learn or to memorize the days of the week? Or do you feel like you're getting at least some hang of it? Of course, I don't expect you to know them by heart all after one time. But does it feel like you're catching on to it? at least a little bit?
Yeah, they are really fun.
Yeah.
And I
Okay.
think
Well, that's good.
it will be easy to learn by heart.
Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. Luckily, there's only 7 of them. Okay. And then we also had from the other document. I'm gonna share it to you. Wait 1 second. Okay. How do I change? Over here. No, is this the wrong? Why isn't it showing? Here, perfect. So first we have from page 25. Okay. I think one of you can just, or we can go them in order, yeah. Okay, so I think it's Ali's turn next. So just for repetition, please read out loud the name of the week.
Means Tuesday.
Perfect. I don't know how to draw lines here. I'm not very good with, wait. Does it work like this? Where do we have? So Tuesday. Okay, not the prettiest line, but I think it's okay. Okay, Sangin, you can go next. So please read this one.
Keskivico Wednesday.
Perfect. So it goes over here. And then Ziadullah.
Thursday is Thursday.
Perfect. Yeah, Ali.
Periantai means Friday.
Perfect. Sangin.
Launtai is Saturday.
Perfect. Oh, the lines are not very straight, but it's okay. I hope you understand. And then Ziadullah.
Ununtai Sunday.
Okay, perfect. There you go. So now, do I have the writing? No. How do I get this off this pen? Like that? Okay. So, well, here we didn't have any specific day to start from, but I think it's Ali's turn. So what day did you write when you filled out this one? What did you write for this first one? So please read the question and then also the answer to the question.
Mika Paiwa Tanan on.
And what did you answer to it?
Tanan on Keskiviikko.
Keskiviikko. Okay, and now we're gonna go from the basis of Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, and then the rest of the answers should be correct in relation to keskiviikko. Так что мы начинаем, так что сегодня среда в этом упражнении, а остальные ответы должны связаться с тем, что сегодня среда. Понятно? Можно было объяснить, мой русский не хватает всегда, но... Понял?
Да.
Окей. Окей, Сангин? Пожалуйста, прочитай следующий.
Мика Пaiwa Хомена on. Хомена on. Keskiviikko?
Если сегодня keskiviikko. Что это означает, вот это?
Завтра какой день?
Да. Так что если сегодня keskiviikko, то какой день завтра?
Torsday.
Torstai. Perfect. Torstai. Ziadullah, you can go next. So please read the question and translate it at the same time, or translate it also to English, what the question is.
Okay. Mika Paiva Elin Oli. Elin Oli. Yesterday was? Yesterday.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Elin, Ollie, Thursday.
If today's Wednesday, so we're gonna go
Ah,
from the basis of
Wednesday.
today's Wednesday. Yeah.
Maanantai.
Good. Almost one day after maanantai. If it's keskiviikko, then yesterday was Tuesday. So what would Tuesday be in Finnish? It starts with the same letter.
Tiistai.
Tiistai, perfect. Okay, and then Ali, I think, yeah, you're next.
Mikä päivä ylihuomenna on?
Ylihuomenna.
Ylihuomenna
Yeah.
on ylihuomenna on sunnuntai.
Almost, it's keskiviikko today. So we're going from the basis that it's keskiviikko today. So if it's keskiviikko, can you translate the question to English first?
I think it means what day will be, what day was yesterday.
No, it's so here you can see if it's tänään and then it's huomenna. If you go forward, one day it's huomenna and then 2 days it's ylihuomenna.
I see. So ylihuomenna on perjantai.
Perjantai, yeah. So the day after tomorrow. Did we have it in the book ylihuomenna, or was it just in? Yeah, we did. Okay, perfect. Because sometimes the materials are not completely matching, so I was checking. Okay. And then Sangin, you're the last one, I think.
Mikä päivänä päivänä oli?
Mm-hmm.
Päivänä oli maanantai? Maanantai.
Yeah, maanantai. So what day was it the day before yesterday? Какой день был позавчера? Toissapäivänä. Вчера и позавчера. Завтра и послезавтра. Okay. And then we also had this one. So if you can write in the chat your answers so I see how you type it. Если сможете написать ответы в чат, чтобы мне видно было, что правильно пишется. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna start from is it Ziodula next?
Okay. Nelia.
Okay. This is a short one, so you can just you can spell. How would you type it?
N
Yeah.
A
Mm-hmm.
L
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yi. Yeah.
G
Okay.
A.
Perfect. Let's take away some of this. Okay. And then Ali, you're next. So what did you answer to the second one? Number 6. Yeah. Kuusi. Perfect.
Kuusi.
Kuusi. Yeah. Perfect. And then Sangin.
9.
Yeah. А как это будет написано?
A. Сейчас.
Сможешь в чат написать, если так
Да,
легче?
да.
Да.
Вот.
Да? Почти там 9 через А будет.
Да.
Да. Ну у вас, наверное, нету в клавиатуре тоже
Да.
буквы А. Ну из этого понятно, да. Okay. Ziodula, I think you're next.
Okay. Kaksi toista.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, now I forgot to wait for you to type, but you get to type the next one. Okay, Ali?
Teacher, I don't have, how can I say, answer for this because I forgot. And the interesting
Okay.
fact is I didn't write this one to notebook. Only this one.
Oh,
I
right.
left.
All right. It's okay. It's okay. Does anyone else have the answer for this one?
Let me.
You don't necessarily have to write them because they get quite long. So I can just, if you say them, I can write them.
Let me say.
Yeah, go ahead.
Kaksi kaksi.
Yeah, perfect. 22. 22. Okay.
Мгм.
Sangin, у тебя есть ответ?
Да.
Если-
Kolmikymmentä.
Yeah. 30. Perfect. Ziadullah, do you have the answer for the next one?
Mhm. 59.
Почти. Read it more slowly. I think you were hopping over a little bit. If you just read.
59.
Yeah.
59.
Yeah. 50.
Ah,
9. 50. Yeah. Okay. Sangin?
Yhdeksänkymmentä kolme.
Yeah. 93. Perfect. And Ziadullah, you can go next.
Mhm. 118.
Perfect. 118. Okay, Sangin?
174.
Perfect. 174.
Neljä.
1005.
Yeah. 1005. And then Sangin, you get the last one. Тебе последняя, самая сложная.
2346.
Yeah, 346. Perfect. Now I need to check how I have to say I don't remember. Is it spelled separately like this? I don't think. No, I think Word does. I think it's spelled together. 1005. Yeah. I have to say I myself also sometimes, to be honest, forget because most of the Finnish numbers are spelled all together. As you can see, it becomes really, really long series. But some of them also you make a space in between, and yeah. But it's those are spelled together. Yeah. Okay, perfect. That was all the homework for today. So now we're gonna do a little bit of repetition. The topic for today is to be verb. There isn't really a like быть in Russian would be, but it's not used the same way as in Russian. But we're gonna do some repetition first because it's not a very long topic to go through. So we're gonna repeat some of the numbers and some spelling and stuff, and then we're gonna go into the topic for today. So I'm actually, do you all have the books in front of you? Do you have the PDF of the book in front of you? У вас есть PDF этого книги? Вы можете себе открыть?
Give me 1 minute, I will open it for me.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Hello, I noticed that Gozoda also joined. Did you just come or have you been here for a longer time? I haven't noticed that you joined the Zoom. Did you just enter? Gozoda? Вам слышно?
Yes, yes.
Okay. На русском или in English? Гузода, вы английский понимаете или на русском?
O'zbekskiy gapiryapsizmi?
Узбекский? Окей. К сожалению, я по-узбекски не говорю. Но если кто-то сможет перевести, if someone can translate to Uzbek, the exercises. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, does everyone have the PDF of the book? У всех открыта книга? У себя. Can someone ask Gozoda if she has watched the earlier lessons, the videos of the earlier lessons in Uzbek? Кто-то сможет попросить на узбекском, если Гузода посмотрел вот эти предыдущие видео?
Aha. Gulzoda, eshityapsizmi?
Ha, eshityapman.
O'tgan dars videosini ko'rdingizmi?
Nima deysiz? Tushunmadim.
O'tgan safar darslik video ko'rdingizmi?
Yo'q, ko'rolmadim. Vaqtim bo'lmadi.
Ага, понятно. Она не смотрел, у него не было время посмотреть.
Окей, понятно. Но просто скажи ей, что, может быть, чуть сложно. Мы репетируем то, что мы раньше сделали сейчас, потому что у нас короткая тема, и на следующий раз уже пойдем на следующий текст. Но то, ну, было бы полезно, если она их посмотрела до следующего раза. Окей?
Gulzoda eshitgan bo'lsangiz, agar o'sha videolarni ko'rsangiz, o'zingizga foydali, keyingi darslar o'zi qiyinlashib boraveradi ekan. O'sha.
Aha, xo'p.
Вот.
Bo'lmasa ko'rib chiqaman.
Okay. Отлично. So does everyone now have the book? Сангин, у тебя есть книга там?
Нет у меня книги.
У тебя там в Телеграме должно быть PDF. Копия.
Сейчас.
Suomen mastery, yeah? Suomen mastery.
Yeah, Suomen Mestari, exactly that one. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you can please open the PDF because the sound doesn't work. So, but does it? Wait. Oh, but I have here. 1 second. I can actually maybe get the sound to work. We'll try. Вот так. Подождите. Can you listen? Can you hear the sound if I start playing?
Harjoitus 10.
Вам слышно?
Да,
Да.
слышно.
Окей, отлично. Тогда не надо открывать книгу. Тогда будем просто так. Okay. So you don't need to open the book. I got the sound to work. Sorry. Okay. So we're going to do some repetition now of the topics that we have been doing. The first one is and then we're going to go lastly into the last topic, but it's not very long. So it doesn't take very long to go through it. So firstly, this is going to be a exercise where they're going to say phrases, and then you're supposed to write the phrases down. So it's to check your spelling of the phrases that you hear. these should be common phrase or phrases that we have gone through already. So there shouldn't, or there isn't anything new. But it's just to revise. Окей? Так что тут будет там фразы говорят и упражнение о том, что тебе надо написать вот это, и проверяем то, что если пишешь вот эти фразы правильно, в принципе. Окей? Понятно?
Да.
Okay. So I'm gonna, the thing goes pretty fast, so I'm gonna give you some time to also write it down. Я вам даю чуть-чуть времени тоже, чтобы написать. Okay, все готовы? Everyone has a pen and a paper in front of them? Okay, I assume that's a yes. So we're gonna start the first phrase.
Kuuntele ja kirjoita. 1.
Hei, kuka sinä olet?
Okay, can I put the next one on? Did you have time to write it down? Успели написать?
Да.
Okay.
I'm sorry, can you
Kaksi.
repeat it?
Yeah, I can take it again.
Kuuntele ja kirjoita. 1.
Hei, kuka sinä olet?
Can I put on the next one?
Kaksi. Minä olen Linda.
Can I put on the next one?
Yes.
3.
Hauska tutustua.
You can put the next one.
Yeah. Okay, the next one.
4. Kiitos samoin.
Can I put the last one?
Yes.
5.
Nähdään huomenna.
That's all. That's it, right?
That was all. Yeah. Are you finished writing?
Yeah.
Okay. Все готовы?
Да.
Okay, so we're gonna check right away. We can start from you, Sangin. So what was written in the first box?
Көкших, хай sinä olet?
Ja kuka sinä olet?
Kuka sinä? Kuka sinä olet?
Kuka sinä olet? Yeah. Yeah, and remember here are the dots on it's sinä and not sinä. So there's dots. Okay. And then the next one. Ali, you want to go next?
Minä olet Linda.
Yeah. Oh, and you can, Sangi, what does this mean? We're gonna translate them as well, of course. I forgot. So the first one, как переводится на русский или английский?
Привет, кто ты там?
Да. Kuka, who, кто,
Мгм.
sinä, you, ты, olet, are, быть.
Мгм.
Кто ты, как, не знаю, на русском так невозможно сказать.
Я согласен.
Да. Okay. Yeah.
Мгм.
And Ali, how would you translate this one?
My name is Linda.
Perfect. Yeah. Ziadullah, what did you get in the third one?
Hauska tutustua. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Okay. And Sangin, what did you get in the fourth one?
Mhm. Nolia Peta Saimo. Kiitos Saimo.
Kiitos samoin. Kiitos
Mm.
samoin. Yeah. So kiitos samoin. Thank you, you too. But it's a reply to hauska tutustua. Nice to meet you as well. Очень приятно и спасибо с вами
И тебе тоже.
как это будет.
Да, и тебе тоже.
Да, именно. Да, и тебе тоже, да. Okay, and then Ali, you can take the last one.
نحن هو منا.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
And what does it mean?
Bye. Goodbye.
It means see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
So yeah, so nähdään alone, it is used as bye. It's a polite way to say bye. But it actually means like see you. But it's also used as a way to say bye. So nähdään huomenna would be see you tomorrow. Okay. Then we're gonna take one more listening exercise. So this one. Here, let me zoom it out a little bit. So here they are going to say the name of the city and then how many degrees it's there. And then you're supposed to write the number, what you can hear. Так что здесь они будут сначала сказать название города, это все города Финляндии, название города, а потом температура в этом городе. Тебе надо написать цифру, сколько градусов там будет. Всем понятно? Did everyone understand? Okay, so let's start.
Harjoitus 12. Kuuntele ja kirjoita numerot. Kuinka monta astetta? 1,
Helsinki plus 14 astetta.
I'm gonna play them all and then we can just listen to it in a row again if you didn't get all of them. Так что я буду играть, ну, как это, все вот эти, а потом, если все непонятно было, то снова сделаем. Окей?
2,
Inari 0 astetta.
3,
Joensuu plus 4 astetta.
4,
Kajaani plus 5 astetta.
5,
Lappeenranta plus 9 astetta.
6,
Oulu plus 3 astetta.
7,
Rovaniemi plus 1 aste.
8,
Tampere plus 16 astetta.
9,
Turku plus 18 astetta.
10,
Vaasa plus 11 astetta.
Okay, did you get all of them or do you want me to play it again? Все понятно было или еще раз?
Еще раз.
По-моему, еще раз не решит проблему, потому что тут, короче, мы не можем... Я не могу слышать, потому что тут скажет плюс... I think it's plus, right?
Plus means plus, and then astetta means degrees. So it says plus, then the number, and then astetta. But we'll listen to it again. Еще раз.
Harjoitus 12. Kuuntele ja kirjoita numerot. Kuinka monta astetta? 1,
Helsinki plus 14 astetta.
2,
Inari 0 astetta.
3,
Joensuu plus 4 astetta.
4,
Kajaani plus 5 astetta.
5,
Lappeenranta plus 9 astetta.
6,
Oulu plus 3 astetta.
7,
Rovaniemi plus 1 aste.
8,
Tampere plus 16 astetta.
9,
Turku plus 18 astetta.
10,
Vaasa plus 11 astetta.
Okay, did you get all of them? Chill.
Not all of them, but about
Do you want
6
me
or
to-
5.
Do you want me to play it one more time? Еще раз слушать.
That would be great, yeah. That would be great.
Okay. Давайте еще последний раз. If you don't get all of them, it's okay, если не слышите все. Нормально. Но посмотрим после этого раза.
Harjoitus 12. Kuuntele ja kirjoita numerot. Kuinka monta astetta? 1,
Helsinki plus 14 astetta.
2,
Inari 0 astetta.
3,
Joensuu plus 4 astetta.
4,
Kajaani plus 5 astetta.
5,
Lappeenranta plus 9 astetta.
6,
Oulu plus 3 astetta.
7,
Rovaniemi plus 1 aste.
8,
Tampere plus 16 astetta.
9,
Turku plus 18 astetta.
10,
Vaasa plus 11 astetta.
Okay. And then we can check, did you get at least some of them? So we can start with Sangin. Давай, пожалуйста, первое.
Э, э, toista asesta?
So
Это
toista means natsit. А там какая цифра? 14 была?
не, это
14.
не что-то.
А как это будет? 14.
Не,
Помнишь?
не, сейчас, не, 4.
4 degrees.
So 14, so it would be 14.
Mm,
4 means 4, and 14 makes it 14. So the toista was the kind of like teen in English, or Nazi in Russian.
mhm.
Okay, then does someone want to take the next one?
Nolla.
Any volunteer? Nolla, yeah, perfect. And what does it mean in English?
No.
Or what?
0.
0, yeah, perfect. Okay, and then the next one, Joensuu. Did someone
Neljä.
get this one?
4. 4.
Yeah, perfect. 4. And then Kajaani.
Viisi.
Easy.
5, yeah, perfect. And what would that be in? Oh, now I showed it already. Okay, it's 5. Sorry. So the next one, Lappeenranta.
9.
Yeah, and what would that be in English?
9.
Perfect. And then Oulu.
3.
Co-
Yeah, 3. So what would that be in English?
Would be 3 will be 3.
3. Perfect. And then Rovaniemi.
No. Yeah.
1.
Did someone get 1? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Now I showed it again. Yeah. So 1 means 1. Then we have Tampere.
6.
Almost. It was 16.
16. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So what would that be in English? 16.
It will be 8. 6 will be 6.
16.
Yeah. And 16. So then it's 6 would be
16,
just 6.
16.
16, exactly. Yeah. And then we have Turku, where I live right now.
Turku 8.
Yeah, and there
18.
is 18. Perfect. Yeah. So what is 18 in English?
18.
18. Perfect. And then the last one, Vaasa.
Yeah, 1. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and there as well, it was 11. So there was the toista. So what?
Mm,
So what would 11 be?
11.
11. Yeah, perfect. Did you find them difficult, or it was, I understand it was also because there was other things before and after, so it makes it more difficult to hear them separately, the numbers. But did you catch at least you catch some of them, so that's really well. And it takes some time always to learn the numbers as well. You won't learn it in the first lesson or necessarily the second, but just keep practicing. And as I said last time, I also have them in the Quizlet. I think I have sent the link to you, so you can also train the numbers there if you want to. But it's something good to learn, of course. Their numbers are very useful. Okay, So now we're gonna go. We have 15 minutes left, so we're gonna go through the conjugation of the to be verb. So unlike Russian, but like most languages except Russian, Finnish uses a to be verb. Так что отличается от русского, но похоже многие другие языка в том, что в финском есть глагол быть. Do you have it in Uzbek? Do you have a to be verb, or is it similar to Russian?
No, we don't have.
You don't have in Uzbek.
Yeah.
Okay. Ты, Сангин, ты знаешь столько английского, что ты типа понимаешь примерно, как используется вот этот глагол быть?
Это как to be, да?
Да,
Вот.
to be. Да. Yeah. So, okay, so you all know at least some English. So, it's like the verb to be, but it has a conjugation for each of the separate forms. What do you call it? For each person, it has a different conjugation. So you wouldn't say "я красивый," but you would say "я olen красивый," if you understand what I mean. So firstly, the personal pronouns, we're going to go through them, and you can repeat after me. And then after that, we're going to go through the different verb forms. Okay? So to say I, it would be Mina.
Mina.
Please repeat after me.
Mina. Mina.
Sina.
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 Han.
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 Han. Se.
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 Se. Se means it, and han means he or she. So han это он, она, и se ну типа оно. Это не о человеках не говорят. Да. Me.
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 Me. Te.
Te.
And he.
He.
And ne.
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 Yeah. So se ya ne are not used for persons. This is spoken language, the red boxes. We're not going to focus on these. You're going to see them later also in the book. The spoken language differs a little bit from the written language, but everyone understands and can speak this language as well, the written form. So we're not going to focus on this at all because you're not living in Finland right now. So we're not going to mess up you too much with the spoken language. So don't focus on these red boxes. Так что вот эти красные, вот эти штуки, я не знаю, как называется, это разговорный язык. Ну, в финском во многих ситуациях есть небольшая, но разница между разговорным и литературным языком. Но мы не будем обсудить это вообще, потому что вы не живете в Финляндии, и это вам не полезно в этой ситуации начинать одновременно разговорного и литературного языка выучить. Так что фокусируем на вот это, и все поймут, и все умеют говорить на литературном языке также. Так что не смотрите на вот это, потому что будет просто мешать вас. Okay. So then we're going to go through the conjugations of the verb itself. So as you see, the conjugations are different for each of the verb forms. So you can also, in many situations, just leave out these parts and just use these. The same as in Russian. So you can just say читаю, or you can just say еду, or something like that. You don't have to say я читаю or я еду, потому что it's, now I'm mixing the languages, because it's understandable from just this part. Так что, так же, как в русском, в финском не надо всегда сказать я, ты или вот это, а вот это хватит, потому что тут склонение разные в каждом форме глагола, поэтому только если видишь только вот это, знаешь, из этого, какая форма это. Понятно?
Да, да, всё.
Okay, so the first one is olen. Please repeat after me. Olen,
Olen,
Olen.
olet,
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 on,
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 olemme,
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 olette,
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 ovat.
olet,
ovat.
Ovat, yeah. So as you can see, it's an irregular verb. That's the same in almost every language. Usually the verb to be is irregular, but there is still some part that's regular in this. So once you learn this verb alone, it's going to be a lot easier to learn the rest of the verbs too, because the endings of the verbs are pretty much the same in every case. There are different verb groups. There are some differences, but if you learn the basic endings, so the an, the te, on is irregular. We don't focus on that. It's not regular in this. Me with the two m's, e, te, e, and vat. These are all regular endings of verbs. So in other verbs, you will also, when we start learning talking and writing and speaking and whatever, they are gonna have the same endings as these ones. The an, the te, the mme, the tte, and the vat. So you're gonna notice that even though it's irregular, but it's not that irregular than what it might be in other languages. Okay, so now I would want you to, or I'm gonna say it as a whole, I am and you are and so on, and then I want you to repeat after me the whole phrase kind of. So minä olen.
Minä olen.
Yeah, minä olen.
minä olen,
Sinä olet.
minä olet,
Minä olet.
Sinä olet.
sinä olet,
Sinä olet.
Sen olet.
Hän on.
Hän on.
Hän
hän
on.
on,
Se on.
se on,
Se on.
Me olemme.
me olemme,
Me olemme.
Te olette.
te olette,
Te olette.
He ovat.
he ovat,
He ovat.
And ne ovat.
ne ovat.
He ovat.
Yeah. So just to repeat, these two, ne and se, are used for inanimate, so not humans. We often talk about animals with the animate ones. I know in Russian and English, you sometimes use it for animals, for example. But not in Russian, but in English you use it for animals. But in Finnish, we would mostly use hän and he for animals as well. Depends on the person, though. You can choose, but yeah. Okay. So, of course, I don't expect that you learned these now by heart. But did you understand what I said? Did you get the point? At least somehow. Вам понятно было? Я понимаю, что, конечно, еще не выучили все слова. Я не думаю, что вы будете все вспомнить типа сразу, но понятно было, о чем я говорил.
Да, да.
Okay? Okay, so these are in the book on the page 16. What I like about this book is that all the grammar things are all in one place for each chapter. So if you need to go back to check something, you can find it all, the grammar from each chapter on the same pages. Here, of course, it's not very much, but in the future chapters, there will be more. Так что мне нравится то, что вся грамматика типа в одном месте. Можете здесь посмотреть на 16 странице. И в других, я не знаю, как сказать chapter на русском. Как сказать chapter? Часть? В других частях тоже будут. Так что вся грамматика в одном месте. И мне нравится то, что легко найти. То, что надо типа вспомнить.
Да.
Так что здесь вот это. И можете, конечно, вернуться к этому, когда сделаете домашнее задание. Все вот это. Окей? Понятно? Okay, so now we're gonna do one exercise with these. Yeah. This one. Okay, so what I want you to do here, you can of course have it with you. So looking at the verb to recognize which personal pronoun you're supposed to have. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, Anzia too. Все понятно? Did you understand? Okay, so Ali, you can start, for example. In the second one, which personal pronoun would you put here?
He.
Hen.
So this is han. Perfect. Han. So because it's on, it's the third singular. So then it would be han. Okay, and then the next one, number 3. Oh, and by the way, let's translate this as well. So what does this mean? Что это означает? Anyone can
On
translate.
Pedro.
Men.
Yeah. And what does it mean? What does this one mean?
On.
But in English, what would this meaning mean?
He.
He is better, yeah. Okay. And then the next one. This one, which personal pronoun would you put here?
Me.
Me, yeah, perfect. So me, it's easy to remember this one because it has kind of the similar ending. So me, olemme. So it's the same thing. So if you notice that somewhere that it's me, here you know that it's we. Oh, sorry, now I said it I wasn't supposed to say it in English yet. So what would this meaning mean? This sentence? Oh, but you'd probably, have you learned, you know the word missä? Missä, I don't know if we have had it. I just realized. Was it in the last text? Yeah, maybe you didn't have it. I'm sorry. So missä means where. Gdzie. So this would be, where are we? Gdzie мы находимся? Then the next one, fourth one,
Kuka sinä olet?
четвертый.
Sinä.
Yeah, sinä. And what does it mean?
What is your name?
Yeah, what is your name or who are you?
Yeah, who are you?
Would be the literal translation is who are you, but it's used as what's your name. Okay, and then the fifth one.
Minä olen
Minä olen.
Laura.
Yeah, perfect. And what does it mean?
My name is
My name is
Laura.
Laura.
Yeah, perfect. So literally it's I am Laura. And then the last one, the sixth one.
He.
He.
Perfect.
He.
Yeah. He. And what does this sentence mean? Do you know? We also haven't had it might be a little bit difficult, but you might be able to like put the pieces together. I don't know. Does someone understand this? If don't, I will translate it for you. You're not supposed to know this yet, but. Okay. So this one means they are in Helsinki. So he means they, ovat are, and Helsingissä means in Helsinki. We're going to go later. We're going to look at why it changes here. That's not important yet, but it's Helsinki, Helsingissä. Okay. I'm gonna write your homework to on Telegram because I need to check the pages from the other documents. I haven't done it, but I will send you the homework today in a bit once I get back to my общежитие. So maybe in like half an hour, but I think you still have a second lesson, so you're not gonna do your homework anyway right now. Kiitos tästä päivästä. Thank you for today. I hope you learned something and we'll see next Monday. Nähdään maanantaina. Okay? Hei hei!
Nähdään.
Nähdään.
Nähdään.